All right, SOFI update here on the 23rd. So we got a move down to 620 on Friday, which did break below the falling wedge here, and then it bounced right back up. So it did regain what it lost. It actually broke even on the day. So with that being said, it's possible the falling wedge is still going on. It didn't have to hit the parallel line perfectly. It could have bottomed right there, and if not, like I've said in previous videos, my target is right below $6, and the parallel line that I'd be looking for would be from the top here and from right here. So I would have this as WX, and then this would be A, B, C like that, and then this would be A, B, C like that, and then this right here would be a 5-wave move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that. So we'll see if it regains, if this is it right here, ABC. It did come close to the 1.61 fib here at 617. If not, 594 is the target. That is the 1.61 fib of the A wave right here. So 594, 593, something like that. That would fill the gap below, and it really can't go any farther than that. Like, we're basically at book value now, and unless the market crashes, but the market's probably not going to crash anytime soon. So at this point, it's just like I'm doing analysis over pennies basically. If you're buying here, you're going to be good, and we'll see. Was that the bottom on Friday, or are we going to have another leg down to 594? It is possible if it goes all the way down to 594, then it is possible that this is the second wave then. So I said previously that this is probably a B wave, but if this is also just WXY and the whole thing, so the whole thing could be ABC, ABC, WXY. So the whole thing would be kind of like a double 3, which just means that you have a zigzag here, and then this would actually be a double 3. So again, I'm doing analysis over basically pennies at this point. We're basically at the bottom, and we'll see which one holds. Is it going to hold the falling wedge and be bottomed already here at 620, or do you think we're going to fill this gap here at 607, potentially come down here to 594? That would be the gap fill. I don't think it would go much lower than that. And this parallel line, not going to really worry about it, but if you did draw it through and hit the top here, that kind of hits around 594 as well. So we're about to converge a bunch of parallel lines, and it's getting towards the bottom. We'll see what happens early next week. I'm expecting the overall market to probably go down some the first couple of days and then recover into July and August. And that's when I'm expecting the big bounce on SOFI. So if we go down to 594, then I will say that this is possible. But if we recover this falling wedge, then again, I'm going to say this is more likely. Right here, A, and then this would be. So it really depends on how far it goes down. So 594, it could be a second or a B wave, and we could be ready for that move up to about $15. If not, then we're probably just looking at a move back up here to $8 to $10. I'm ready for a bounce, to be honest. I'm kind of tired of like analyzing this over and over. It's just down every day, and there's not really anything that's clear. Like falling wedge is the best guess, and if you go down here, it could be a C wave. But it's really nice when you get impulse moves, because you get impulse moves, it's definite. Like if I get a first wave up, second wave like this, I can tell you like exactly where I think it's going to go. But on this, it's like, okay, it could bounce here, it could bounce here, it could bounce here, and then you could be right or wrong. But I do know, again, just like last video, in this area, you want to be buying, selling puts, buying long calls, whatever. We got earnings in about a month. This is a good time to buy. Let's see what happens this first couple of days. I'll make a video here probably tomorrow and probably Tuesday, depending on what happens. I'm expecting a bottom hopefully this week. So that's it for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.